Hi and welcome to my video. And in this video we're going to learn how to clean a GELCOAT gun like a pro. So what I've got here is a GELCOAT gun that's ready to go. It's all dirty. I just finished spraying. We're going to get some acetone ready. I've already poured off 2 half liters. And that's the acetone there. We're going to need a brush, and we're going to be cleaning these 3. So first thing you're going to do is, of course, put some acetone in the paint cup, and we're going to use the brush just to clean the excess off the sides. We'll do that on the first cleaning. That just gets rid of the extra. So that'll clean the paint cup. And in order for us to clean the fluid passages, we're going to fill it about halfway. Now if you notice, I'm going to be leaving my brush inside the paint cup. And there's a reason for that. I use a backwash technique with my finger. There's some paint coming out and now some acetone. So if you can see what it's doing to the pot, it's throwing the air and the acetone back up into that pot. It causes a violent mix which cleans the fluid passages. So we'll dump that out. We'll run some more clean stuff inside. So you can see it's pretty clean. And now we're going to go after the excess. So I fill it about 1/3 there. I'm going to use that backwash technique again. And I've got an open fan padding this time. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to clean the tip, but I'm going to show you what happens if you don't leave the paintbrush in the paint cup. I'll just clean all the threads and air cap. So here it is with it in it, keeps the acetone in. Now I'm taking the paintbrush out, and you can see the splash after I do it. Look at all the acetone that came out. So you don't want to get that in your face, so you leave the paintbrush inside the paint cup when you're doing that backwash technique. And there you can see it's pretty clean. There's still a bit of color. So we're going to keep adding acetone, backwashing until we get a clear liquid. And that'll tell us that all the fluid passages are clean. Now if you notice, I haven't taken the gun apart. This gun's about 15 years old, and I've never taken it apart. There's no need to take it apart as long as you're cleaning using clean acetone, and you go through this process 2-3 times to make sure the fluid's clean. So here I'm just getting all the excess overspray on the gun and threads. And now you can see the acetone is actually quite clean now. So that tells me I just probably got to do it once more and that's it. So I'll top it up. Now I do store my gun with the acetone in it in case there's any little bit of residue. It'll find its way down to the nozzle. When I go to use it again, I'll just run some clean acetone through it, let it dry, and then go ahead and remix some gel coat and start painting again. So there you can see the acetone's running through clear, and I'm just going to use the brush to get rid of any residue that might be on the outside of the gun. And that's pretty much all there is to cleaning a GELCOAT gun like a pro. There you go. Crystal clear. All that's left is to clean the air cap and the paint mixing cup, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like it or want to see more like this, just click the like button and click subscribe, and you'll get all my new videos in your feed. Thanks for watching.